What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and this time we're taking a second look at the Samsung Galaxy Bud Lives, aka the Beans. We're gonna do another comparison with another slew of headsets to really hone in what is the real winner. Today, the contenders are the original Vivo TWS's, the OnePlus Buds, the Honor FlyPods 3, the Huawei Freebuds 3, and certainly not least, the Jabra 75T. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna put all of these headsets through its paces. I'm gonna listen to all of them back to back to back to back and let you know which one I think sounds the best. Then we're gonna do the mic test and you're gonna tell me 1 through 5 down in the comments which ones you think is best. So without further ado guys, let's get this video going. Let's get things rocking. Let's do this now. Alright guys, so first up is the Beans. I gotta get my baseline going and kind of hone in on how they sound. I'm gonna use the same song as I did in the last video as well to keep everything consistent. Let's do it. The highs on these, so good. Here comes the bass. That makes me happy. My head is rattling. All right. So I got my bass line. They sound crisp and clear. The bass hits super hard, makes my eardrums rattle with delight. I like it a lot. All right, so what we're gonna do guys now is we're gonna pop in the Vivo TWS ones. These are the OGs, the originals. One of my faves. Super comfortable, super light. Let's see how they hold up. Here we go. Highs are crisp, maybe not as crisp. Here comes the bass. As well as they do sound, I love these things, especially for their comfort. They do not sound as well as the Bud Lives. The Buds Live highs are crisper and cleaner, and the bass definitely hits harder. They have knocked out the original Vivos in round 1. Up in round 2 is the OnePlus Buds. Let's see how they hold up against the Buds Live. OnePlus Buds sound good. Highs are crisp. Here comes the bass. Ooh. We got a match. All right. What we gotta do is I gotta pop the lives back in because this is close. Here we go. I thought it was close. It's definitely not close. I mean, I hit play for 3 seconds and I knew that the highs, I knew in 3 seconds that the Samsung Galaxy Bud Live, they just blew the OnePlus Buds out of the water. It was just like a nuclear warhead dropped on the OnePlus Buds and they exploded. I thought they were gonna be a contender. I thought we had a match. There was no match. That means we gotta move on to the Honor FlyPods 3. Let's see if they can hold up or if they're gonna fall to the same fate as the Vivos and the OnePlus Buds. Highs are good, clear. Bass hits now. All right, I gotta listen to the Samsungs again. I gotta switch back and make sure they sound really good, but I just gotta be sure. Again, 2 seconds of listening and you can immediately tell the difference. The Honor FlyPods 3, knocked out of the competition. Done, finito. It's like they never existed. It's over, Johnny. All right, guys, so next up is the Huawei Freebuds 3. Will they have the same fate as the previous earbuds? I don't know. Let's find out. Now, the cool thing about these is they have active noise cancellation also. In my opinion, the Huawei Freebuds 3's ANC is definitely better than the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It blocks out more ambient noise. It's not huge, but it is noticeable to me. So if ANC is super important and you don't want something that goes all the way in your eardrums, these are awesome headsets. So let's get them in and let's pump up the music. Again, just like the previous earbuds, the FreeBuds 3 are not as clear. They do not hit as hard. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Lives is slaying a lot of earbuds. It's actually pretty crazy to me, man. It's crazy how good they sound. It's all about the bass, right? At least for me. I mean, I love highs, I love mids, but I love the bass. These Jabras are bass monsters. So let's check them out. Let's see if they're gonna come through. This is the final round. Here we go. Oh, I think now we got a real contender. That high is like, ho, ho, ho. My brain is rattling. Finally, we have a true contender. Let me now pop in the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live again. This is gonna be super close. Here we go. God, they sound so good, guys. They sound awesome. I gotta listen to the Jabras one more time. It's that close, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. I'm gonna switch back one last time. This is it. All right, here's the verdict. The highs on the Samsung Galaxy Bud Lives are the best, period. The bass on the Jabra Elite 75Ts is the best, period. There's no clear winner. What do you want more? Do you want more hard hitting bass, or do you want more highs? We got a lot of bass here, don't get me wrong. These are both great headsets. So with all of that said, now it's mic test time. So let's start all over. Let's get the mic test going. Let's see which one has the best mic. Let's go. Starting over, we're gonna have our bass line again. We're gonna do the same order as last time and roll right through this. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Live, aka the Beans. How does my voice sound? All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Vivo TWS ones, the original Vivos. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the OnePlus Buds. All right, guys, this is now the sound of my voice with the Honor FlyPods 3. This is the sound of my voice with the Huawei Freebuds 3. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 75T. This is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and ambient noise in the background. This is the sound of my voice with the Vivo TWS 1. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the OnePlus Buds. This is the sound of my voice with the Honor FlyPods 3 and ambient noise running in the background. This is the sound of my voice with the Huawei Freebuds 3. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 75T. So this is where you guys come into play. What I want you to do is rank them from 1 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 1 to 6, letting me know which headset is the best. 1 being the top, 6 being the worst. Put it all in the comments down below. Woo, that was a lot. That was a lot of work. That was a lot of headsets. I hope you got the answers you were looking for. That's it. That's all I got for you guys today. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, make sure to smash that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.